Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point, and then you look at where the price closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. However, that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down here at $8.50. Why is $8.50 so important? Hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $8.50. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates at the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $8.50. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward going into next week. It's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. A couple times got somewhat close to it. I'm probably stretching the truth there a little bit. I mean, within the general vicinity of it. But anyway you slice it, that 50-period is going to be the key level of resistance going forward. But top priority, in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are built, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice bounce today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.